Alright guys, this is David. Got the Parrot Mambo there. Here's the controller. It's all bound up. It's pretty windy today. Go Simba, go. Go, go. Good boy. Pretty windy today. My phone said 13. I'm gonna say, like from 10 to probably nearly 17 or 18. So let's go up and see what happens. It's a little shaky. I don't want to do anything weird. I don't want it to go like over the house. Just get it's drifting around. I'm kind of controlling a little bit. I don't want to go any higher. I don't know if I want to try a flip out. Oh, let's try it. Oh, that's the oh, I think I'm gonna go down. Woo! I don't know. That thing's gonna. If I get above the roof line there, I think it's gonna go. Floop. See you later, alligator. So anyway, let me turn the camera off. Alright guys, just want to do a test on this wind. It's pretty windy here, northerly wind. So, alright, later guys.